Hi, I think one of my friends sent me something. I was told that I would be being sent something, so exciting. Oh my gosh. Aww. Oh, from Frank. Enjoy your gift. Good to see you happy again. Hugs from Frank. Thank you. I got sent a pack of fidget toys! Ah! Who's happy? I'm happy. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are going to be going up on my thank you board. Ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh. Satisfying. Look at that too. Ah. Got a marble in there? Yes. Ha! Oh, there's another one there too. Oh my gosh! Thank you! This little one. Do. Ah. That's so cool. Ooh. Look at this. How does this one work? Ooh, yeah, let's see. Oh, it's a puzzle. Is it a puzzle? Oh. I will see this one more later. Yeah. I've got some noodles for me noodles. I've got a little baby Rubik's Cube. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Look. Look. I've got a little tiny world and a big world now. But this little tiny world, I think it has more detail. I'm not sure. I think so. Cool. Ooh. Ooh, I like it. Woo. I like it. Oh, here's another Rubik's Cube. Oh my goodness! Look at the little squozems. It's a little squozum. It's a wee little unicorn squozum. Oh my gosh, is that supposed to be like a little... Is that supposed to be a little panda? Because if so, then... Oh my gosh. Look at this little squosum coming out of its little bag. Look at the little squosum. It's a little squeezy squosum. Squeezy squosums. I don't know what to call them else other than that. I call them squeezy squosums. Those are squeezy squosums. I've got a bunch of squeezy squosums. Okay, I've got to move these over here. Oh, it's a little tiny fidget spinner. It's a baby fidget spinner. I like it. That's fun. It's a fast little guy. Oh, okay. Oh, what are you? What is this guy? There we go. Oh, lucky. Ooh. 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 Ooh, I like it. I like it. That's pretty satisfying. My OCD likes it. It's relieving. I like that one. Whoa. There we go. Ooh. Oh. I like it. Oh. Isn't that fun? Okay. I shall move on to the next one. That's fun. I like that. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. Ooh. Ooh. I love these things. Oh. Ooh, I like this. I like it. 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 It's bringing me joy. Much joy. Ooh. Forever folding. Ooh. 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 Oh. Yeah. Sip of my drink before finishing these. Peach pear. Not sponsored, just a fan. Ooh. I like that. That is so satisfying. Wow. My brain likes that. Whoa. That's pretty cool. I like that. Another baby spinner. Baby spinner. a different kind of baby spinner. Aww. Got my baby spinner. It's a little tiny football. Okay, and oh, I got another one of these, except in yellow. It's a baby spinner. Like that. Aww. Yay. Ooh. Mm. I like it. Ooh. That one I like a lot. Ooh. That little guy. Ooh. It's cute. I like it. Ooh, hiccup. And the bubbles from my drink went to my nose. Dun 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 dun. I like this. Some of these I know I had like small, like or some version of when I was a kid. Like I know I did. Oh, does these hook on together? Oh look, see? Ooh, I love this stuff. Trying to get it in the hole like that. Nice. Alrighty. Well, thank you very much. Ooh. My P.O. box is in my profile, and it will also be down below. And my Amazon wishlist is in my beacons link, and it's also in my YouTube profile banner. So, yeah, hit the like button and comment if you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more. And yeah, if you want to send me stuff to open or to play with or whatever, then totally awesome. I'm going to be probably reviewing each of these individually on my TikTok. So I will find y'all later elsewhere. See ya. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!